You don't want to start an online business. You're just looking for a way to make money online without having to invest a lot of time or money. But you're tired of all the fake videos, online courses, gurus, and scams everywhere. People who don't offer real information on how to do it, and methods with no basis that don't lead you anywhere. That's why, in this video, I bring you the 2 definitive best online businesses that you can start in 2024 if you are a beginner and with a minimal investment. So minimal that it can be none. The first of these businesses is the simplest to do. So if you're just starting out and want something you can actually start today and start making some profit, this is for you. The second online business is going to be a business model that really works for 2024 and beyond. It's one that artificial intelligence can't really compete with. And if you get into this business model and invest in it, you're going to make a lot of money. The first business, if you want to start the easiest way, is called print on demand. Basically, what print on demand is that you create designs and upload them to websites of this business, and they basically create a photoshopped virtual listing of how that design would look on a t-shirt, a coffee mug, a hoodie, or something similar that company could print with that design. Then it is published in the marketplace of that print on demand website. And when people come and browse that marketplace and see that design on the product and they say, "Hey, I want to buy that," they can choose what size t-shirt they want, what color, and once the order is placed, the print-on-demand website actually prints your design on that specific product that the person chose and ships it, handles all the customer service, and we, as print-on-demand sellers, only get a share of the profit. Let's see an example. Amazon.com is the largest website in the world that does print-on-demand. There are several others out there, but this is by far the one that sells the most. So when you go to Amazon and search for different types of t-shirts, like, for example, men's fishing t-shirts, you're going to find different designs. These designs were made by someone who is already in the business, who is already making money with print on demand. Now, when you click on any of them, how can you tell it's made with print on demand? Well, when you go into the listing, you can see that the same design is offered on multiple t-shirts of different colors, and the image changes as if it were photoshopped. So you can tell it's just a virtual listing of it, and the shirt isn't physically printed yet. And then you can choose different types of t-shirts that the design is printed on: men's, women's, children's, and then different sizes. When you add your selection to the cart, you can have it shipped to you with Prime, just like if you were buying something on Amazon. But the key here is that the print-on-demand seller, whether it's you or me uploading the design, hasn't done anything but create the design and upload it to Amazon. Amazon is doing everything else. That's what makes this business model so beginner-friendly. You just have to create the designs and upload them to the print-on-demand websites. And as for Amazon, if you see any listing that says Amazon Merch on Demand, that's Amazon's version of print on demand. So that means that listing will be created by print on demand. That being said, let me give you a couple of tips for you if you want to get into this business model. If this sounds like something you can do in your spare time, creating the designs will probably be the hardest part of this whole business model. But there are tools you can use to create designs based on pre-made t-shirt templates. So you're not creating all your designs by hand. You don't need to be a graphic designer. One of those tools is placeit.net, and here you can simply type in things like fishing designs, and you'll get customizable t-shirt designs that you can enter. You can change the graphics, you can change what it says, you can change the font, and then you can download it and upload it to the print-on-demand websites. And so you're creating designs. You upload them to the print-on-demand websites. They do everything else for you, and you just have to start collecting profits. Moving on to the second business model. For me, it's the one I really like for 2024. This one is called affiliate marketing, done specifically with videos. Now, if you haven't heard of affiliate marketing before, basically what it means is that it's a fancy way of saying a company's referral program. So if you've ever bought something from a company before, and they send you an email or something and say, if you refer a friend or refer someone who also makes a purchase from us, we'll give you a $25 gift card, or we'll give you a commission on something, either a monetary amount or a credit to buy more things from them. That's essentially a referral program. With the power of online marketing today, if you know what you're doing, You can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, creating videos about those companies and putting your unique affiliate link in the description. But before we go into more detail about this, let me show you a real-world example of this so you can see exactly what it looks like and how easy it could really be to do if you know what you're doing. For example, if you search YouTube for microphones for streamers, you'll see several videos of someone talking about what their best microphones for streamers would be. And when you go to their description, you'll find all their affiliate links. So, if someone makes a purchase of a microphone through that affiliate link, the creator will earn a commission. So let's say you watch a random video and say, "Hey, I'm a streamer, and I don't know what microphone is right for me. I really like that first one." And the creator says, "Hey, look in the description. The direct links to these microphones will be there." You go to the description and say, "Okay, this is the one he was talking about." You click on it, and it will send you directly to that microphone that he is talking about. You don't have to search for it on Google and try to find it on your own, and you can buy that microphone right here. It's a win-win. It's easy for you, and it generates a commission for him. Another important thing, and very attractive, is that you can not only benefit from that sale, since when you enter to see the product with your link, stay on the page and buy other things, everything you buy on this website after having clicked on your link from YouTube, you will receive a commission from the website that sells the products. That's the power of affiliate marketing, that you can create a YouTube video, or you can create content that can reach tons of people all over the world. And then, when they click on your link and go to the website, anything they buy on that website, you will receive a commission for it. The key to all this, and the reason why this business model is so scalable and you can make so much money, is that your video can spend years on the platform and still be relevant, which leads us to another way of earning. By having views and subscriptions, we can also monetize our YouTube channel and generate revenue. On this channel personally, we have been doing this on YouTube with multiple niche-specific channels, and in the last few years, we have generated thousands of dollars in commissions. There are not many people who share the real good business models that you can get into right now, that are working very well, and that are actually set up to work even better in the future. A lot of people on YouTube are sharing business models that used to work several years ago, and since they have already done it and are already in that space, they are now sharing that content. This is a business model that we are with you. We are doing it personally every day, and I can assure you from our own experience that it works extremely well. Finally, if you want to keep receiving opportunities on how to make money online in a really effective and proven way, just like this video and subscribe to our channel.